there are two ways that a quote can be created. To get started without a project folder, click Create Quote on your dashboard widget, or click on the Quotations button on the left side menu. Click the plus button in the top right corner of the page to start your quote. You will be brought to the General Info page where you will need to fill out the required fields regarding your quote. Under Project Info, you can link the quote to an existing project folder or create one from within the Quotations module. To link the quote to an existing project folder, type the project name into the search bar. Once you select your project from the results, you will see that the project information populates into the fields below. To create a project folder, click on Create Project Folder and fill in the required fields. You can also track the project by clicking the checkbox next to Track Project. Next, select your architect, your engineer, or your customers. Under the Product List section is where you can start adding your products to your quote. You can rename the entire section under Section Name. You can also add a label for each quoted line. Search for the product you are looking for in the Product field. You will notice that two options show up for the same model number. One is a product and the other is a package, as noted by the different symbols beside the model number. For more information, please watch our How to Add Packages to a Quote video on our Help Center page. If you would like to add a product that is not within the ATS database, click the plus product button. For more information, please watch our How to Add Products to Your Quote video on our Help Center page. You may then repeat this process for as many products as you need. If you are trying to find a cross for a competitor's product, you can use our cross-reference tool by clicking the three dots under the action column and selecting Cross-Reference Tool. For more information, please watch our Understanding the Cross-Reference Tool video on our Help Center page. If you know the exact product you are looking for and all of the options associated with it, you can configure it by clicking the button under the Cross-Reference Tool. This will bring up the product configurator. For more information, please watch our Understanding the Product Configurator video on our Help Center page. If you would like to add a new section, click the three dots at the top of the section and select Add Section. Next, under Other Info, fill in the terms and conditions. You can select from one of the preset templates, or by default they will be set to the standard terms and conditions. You have the option of adjusting the pricing of each product if needed. This will update the total in the amount column and the grand total at the bottom. If you would like to rearrange the order of the sections, you can do so by clicking the arrow button on the top right corner of the section. Beside each product, you'll see a series of icons. Using the icons, you can hide the product from the quote calculation, rearrange the order of the products within the section, move the product to a new section, copy the product, or delete it. Once you are satisfied with your quote, click the Save and Exit button in the top right corner of the page. You can now download the quote, shop drawings, or operation and installation manuals by clicking Download. You can also create a quote using an existing project folder. For more information on creating a project, please watch our Creating a Project video on our Help Center page. On the Project Details page of your project, you can hover over the plus button on the top right corner of the page and select the dollar icon to create a new quote. You can also scroll to the bottom of the page where you will see the Quote Lists section. From here, click the plus button on the top right corner of the section and select New Quote. You will be brought to the General Info page. You will notice that some of the information has transferred from your project folder, like the quote title, your required date, and your expiration date. It also automatically links the project folder and tracks the project. You can then continue to complete your quote as outlined in this video.